Hi, I am Renjin Burday, third year Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science from Caraga State University. I'm an aspiring science teacher, so I enjoy helping others to learn. As a future educator, I have learned a lot about teaching strategies, lesson planning, and classroom management. I've also had experiences in micro teaching where I practice how to explain topics clearly and handle a class. This experience helped me build confidence and improve my communication skills. One of my achievements is creating a simple interactive game to help students understand my uses and my uses. This idea becomes the focus of our thesis, and I'm proud that it helped make learning science more fun and easier to understand. I believe that teaching is not just about giving information, but also inspiring students to learn and grow. I'm excited to continue learning and becoming the best teacher I can be.